Hi and welcome to my YouTube channel. It's your boy XAUKING once again, and I'm back with another video. Welcome guys. Before we begin, I'd like to draw your attention to an advert that I would like to make here. I'm offering lifetime Forex signals just under 10 American dollars. So if you're interested in receiving Forex trading signals with 99% accuracy on a day-to-day basis for a lifetime, you are able to join me on this very big opportunity to trade with me on a day-to-day basis with a spectacular price starting just under 10 American dollars. So you're going to make one payment and that is all. And for us to begin, okay guys, so today we are looking at DXY on the daily time frame, and as you know, we would like to start with marking out the area in which we are certain that price will move within the week. But I'm doing this on the daily time frame because I believe that price is likely to hit those highs or lows within that zone. So I marked out the zone by drawing a rectangular shape or a square, as you can see. And then the next thing that I do is mark out my support and resistances for DXY. And once that is set and done, I try to find a trend line to follow a trend. But as we can see, we are clearly certain that price is on a downtrend. So here I'm basically going to switch from this candlestick chart to the line chart to make sure that I'm not having any noise whilst I am marking my support and resistance zones. And just make sure that you remove all your indicators so that you do not have any interference when conducting your technical analysis, because indicators can sometimes change the way you think about your charts, because you are going to incline your sentiment towards what they are showing. So here I just marked out all the support and resistances once again, and then I'll make sure that I draw my trend line or probably a channel, switch time frames to make sure that I got all the important zones marked out on higher time frames, and then when market opens I look to trade within the lower time frames. For those people that normally trade with me throughout the week, you will be able to see that I trade within my zones. I have jackpot zones, which are zones where normally I take my orders. So when price reaches a support or resistance zones, I either take market execution orders or set pending orders among those zones. So basically this is what I'm going to do for DXY, and once I find the market direction for DXY, which I am predicting to be a sell, I should be looking to then buy XAUUSD and sell Usdjpy, USD CAD, and so forth. So this is mainly to open your minds as to what could happen. And as you can see, we are having a very long and consistent downtrend on DXY, which currently indicates that price could be looking to touch that zone and start dropping a bit before continuing on its direction to the upside. And since the prominent trend is the downtrend, I prefer to respect what it is going to represent. So currently on the H4 chart, we are able to see that we do have a bit of a channel here and there, and price is about to hit our trend line, but I would most likely trade anywhere below 103.328. And just above that zone or just around that area, I should be looking to mark an equilateral channel, which will be serving for me as direction, which is a trend within a trend. So the major trend is a downtrend, but we have a small uptrend forming in the H4 time frame. So you have to be cautious about that, which means that price will likely respect that little channel, continue to move forward. But on a higher time frame, if price is to hit a support or resistance that was drawn on the higher time frame, price will react to it just as fast and as much with as much strength as it would on a smaller time frame. So keep that in mind, guys. And these are things that I normally teach when I'm offering Forex courses. So once that is said and done, we move on to the next step, which is to finalize our technical analysis on DXY, which is probably switching time frames, and then we find switching time frames and switching from line chart to candlestick chart, so that we find our order block or an area where institutions are most likely going to start placing orders, okay? Or whether institutional traders or traders with a lot of capital are going to start placing orders, and we can also jump in along those zones, okay guys? So stick with me along this video as we are to discover more stuff. Okay, so moving forward, as we move on to USDJPY, I move on to the daily chart as well. But looking at the daily chart, there's not much to be done right now, so I'll switch to the weekly time frame so that I have a bigger view of what seems to be happening. And by the looks of it, price should be looking to test the highest point recorded on the weekly chart right now as we are viewing it on my phone. So what I'll do is draw another rectangular shape or square, whatever you want to call this, and this is only to represent that I will be looking to trade within that box, okay? So all the trades I'll be performing during the week will only be based on information that I have within that box, because I believe that price will not move out of that box within the week. So once that is set and done, I switch to the line chart. As you can see, do the same thing we did on DXY, which was to mark out support and resistance zones, and once all those major zones are set, we draw a trend, and so on and so on. So guys, if you watch DXY, you are able to watch the USDJPY, and we will follow up this analysis with XAUUSD, and we do the same. So for the rest of the video, until we reach the section of XAUUSD, I'll simply put on a song so that you guys are able to follow the analysis while listening to some very good sounds. Okay, enjoy. exchange pair on the planet, the pair with one of the highest trading volume, XAUUSD. This is probably the biggest pair that I've traded. So guys, here we do the same thing, mark out support and resistance zones by drawing our rectangular box shape, or whatever you want to call it. And within that box, as you can see, the reason why I'm buying is because on the daily time frame and on the H4 time frame, we have reached a point of support which is currently being tested, and I reckon it might not be broken. So for that reason, I believe that price is going to move upwards. But well guys, it's a technical analysis, it's what I believe in. If you feel that you have the same view on this, you can also take these trades. But as you can see, I've been holding these trades since Friday, and we do hope that price will move into our direction. So moving on, we draw the rectangular shape, switch to line chart, set support and resistance, and proceed with our analysis. XAUUSD looking really good there. As long as you mark out your zones, you're gonna be good. So guys, enjoy the rest of the video, like and subscribe to my channel for more. And if you are interested in getting the best and precise 99% accuracy Forex signals, you are ready to sign up for as low as 10 American dollars. Enjoy guys, and see you next weekend. Bye.